In this session, we will see how to import data set in the RStudio from the Excel or text file. So, you can see here in the Excel, I am having weather data over the 18 weeks on the different parameters. So, we will import this data set into R. So, we have to go to environment. On the right side, one section is there. So, in this section, we have to go to environment, import data set, then we have to use from the Excel. So, once you click on that, it will ask there are missing packages, that is read Excel and RCPP. So, we have to install this package so that we can import the data from Excel. So, yes. So, you can see here they are going to install in the console window. So, it is installed. Now, we have to browse the data set. So, my data set is in the D drive R session in the data folder. So, I will just select this one. So, if you see there are different sheets also will be available, just you have to select the Excel, no worry about that. Later on you can select the which sheet you want to select. Sometimes we have the 3 sheets or 4 sheets. So, you can see here which name I want to give, weather data, or just I want to give the data name as WD. There is a weather data, small letters I give. Now, sheet is default is 1. If you want to specific sheet number 1, you can specify. So, it is already default, it is selected range A2, A1 to D10. So, that many rows and columns are selected. Here you can see there is a option first row as a name. Yes, in my Excel sheet, first row contains names. So, after importing, we want to open that one or not. So, you want open the data viewer, or if you do not want, you just uncheck this one. So, you can see here option will not be there. So, at present I will show you view. So, now import. Now, you can see that I have click on the view. So, my data is also seen in the first corner of the R section. So, okay. So, in the console you can see, so this code has been run. The code we have to use to import the data set. So, it is written read underscore Excel, the file path, the name of the data sheet, and it is in which number sheet? Sheet number 1, and we want to view. So, view WD. Okay. So, this is how we can import the data set. So, if you want to check whether it is came or not, you can just type as WD, because that is the name given to the data file. So, you can see here now it is printed all the observation available in the data set. Now, you see how to import the data from the text file. Now, same way again go to the import data set, go to text. Before that I can just close this. Okay. I do not want to see again that one. Okay. So, import data set from the text. Now, data also saved in the text, go to that folder, select that particular data set. Now, it is name written as met data, not weather data, met data, meteorological data. So, I will just select that one. Now, you can see here one window came, automatic. If you want to change the data name, so you can write meteorological data. So, I write met data, okay, or I can just write met dat. Okay, encoding yes, automatic, heading yes. In the first row heading is there, so it is yes. If you given no, you can see here another heading is appeared, V1, V2, V3. Likewise, heading is assigned to the each column. So, instead of that I will have to choose option yes. So, row names, if the row names are there, it will select automatic, otherwise you can give the first column. Sometime we will write year or the name of the station, you can write that one. So, just import. Now, here also it is imported the data set, and you can view the met data. Okay. So, if you want to see in the console, same way again what you have to do, met dat. So, again you can see the data set in the R console. Okay. So, here also it is used the function read dot delim, then drive where the data set, there is path of the file location, met data is the file name of the text file. So, likewise you can import by using the option as met import data set. So, this is how you can import the data set by using import data set. Now, whatever the code run in this console also appear in the history. So, we have first installed the Excel library, then we have used that one and imported the data set using Excel, then again imported data using the text file. So, read dot delimited file, that is it is reading the delimited text file. So, this is how you can import the data set.